Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives FII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and let's look at what happened globally. Markets are expected to open on a strong note driven by global market rally amidst optimism over trade negotiations between the US and China, as well as with other countries. This positive sentiment is further supported by continuous buying from the FIIs, drop in the crude oil prices to a 1-month low below $60 per barrel, and better than expected US job data. China has indicated it is considering a US proposal to negotiate steep tariffs, while President Donald Trump suggested trade agreements with several countries could be finalized as early as this week. This has raised hopes among global investors looking for relief from the US import duties. To start with our first segment for Monday, 5th May 2025, Nifty index opened flattish and witnessed a sharp up move in the first stick towards 24,600 zones, but was followed by the bulls giving up strength. It fell till midday and later consolidated in the second half of the session with some time decay. It formed a small-bodied candle on the daily and the weekly frame with higher upper wick, which indicates some rub-off at the higher levels. However, support-based buying is intact and it has been making higher highs, higher lows from the last 3 weeks. India VIX was up by around 0.2% to 18.26 level. Nifty put-call ratio decreased to 0.91. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 23,800 to 24,800, while immediate range is in between 24,100 to 24,500 marks. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net buyers to the tune of 2,770 crores, while DIIs or buyers were 3,290 crores. FII's index long-short ratio increased to 47.5%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold above 24,200 for the next up move towards 24,650 zones, while support can be seen at 24,050. Bank Nifty has to hold above 55,000 for an up move towards 55,750, while support can be seen at 54,500. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Adani Ports, Godrej Property, Bajaj Finance, NCC, Laurus Labs, IDFC First Bank, MCX, Nalco, and Persistent Systems. While some weakness could be seen in Torrent Power, Bajaj Auto, Eicher Motor, JSW Steel, Paytm, and Ashok Leyland. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.